Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable ETags in WordPress using .htaccess file. So by disabling ETags, we are going to improve privacy and security. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in File Manager and this is our .htaccess file. Right click on it and then click on Edit. So .htaccess file is open. So we are going to disable ETags. So what is ETags in WordPress? In WordPress, ETags entity tags are part of the HTTP protocol used for web caching and conditional requests. They are mechanisms that allow web server to validate cache response and determine whether the content has changed since the last time it was requested. So by disabling ETag, we are going to improve privacy and security. So we are going to add code. Now paste and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see header, unset, ETag, FileETag None and then click on save changes. Now you see saving .htaccess file and then you see success message. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.